Hello everyone, this is Tasmeeh Ahsan. I am assistant professor in the department of EEE University of Scholars. Welcome to Power System 1 theoretical class. So, today we are going to discuss one of the most important part of power system is it is actually called sag. Okay, sag. Now, what is sag? So, you have I think seen in many transmission distribution line, like say for example, this is a tower. So, this is wires. So, you might see that the wires are not all wires are straight. Okay. They are sometimes little bit tilt, okay, as I have, okay. So, this tilt part is called sag S, okay. So, now why this tilting thing is required? I mean, we can just keep it straight, right? Why have we bent it or sagged it actually? So, the reason is whenever say there is very high temperature, I mean during summer time, these are metal rods that actually after getting heat, too much excessive heat cause them to expand. So, when these metals expand, there might be a chance that the transmission line might tear down due to the expansion of the towers. Okay. But when a sag is allowed, no matter how much the towers expand, it will just make the transmission line straight, it will not tear it. Okay. So, this is the reason why sagging is allowed, so that during summer time no problem occurs in the transmission line and the power supplied is unaffected. So, we have actually we are going to see some problems, mathematical problems regarding sag, which will come into your exam. And so far there are actually two type of sag, which is equal level sag and unequal level. So, equal level is when say this is a tower and this is another tower. The towers are in equal level, it is equal level sag, but when the towers are say this is equal level sag, equal level, but when your level is not equal, okay, say for example, this is another tower and this is, so the level of the tower is not equal, this is unequal sag. Okay. So, this is there will be two type of maths, and sometimes in maths we will see that there is pressure from the air, there is pressure, some ice might keep an impact. Okay. So, we will, as we will do some maths, then we can get to understand what are the factors that affecting the sag. There are some factors. So, by seeing those factors, keeping those factors in mind, the sagging is actually done. Okay.